So hey guys, welcome to my channel Cook With Me. So recently I uploaded my first video, which was the bourbon music video, and you guys spent a much of love in that video. So I decided that I'm not sure to make some baking video also. So I like baking. So it is the season of summers now. Temperatures are rising to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius right now, and I decided that mangoes are the best food we have. So I decided why not should I bake a mango cake today. So I'm baking a mango cake today. So let's get started on to my recipe. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily notification, so you can access more exciting recipes. So let me show you a look of what we are cooking today and what are the ingredients that we are gonna use today. So guys, these are the main ingredients that we're gonna use to bake our cake. So we are gonna use some like 1 cup of sugar in it. We will not add much sugar because like the mango puree also contains much amount of sugar. Then we will add baking soda and baking powder. Actually I mix both of these also, like it's totally optional that if you want to mix the baking soda or the baking powder, or you can use it separately also. So then I carried some 4 or 3 teaspoons of maida, which is flour in it, and like 1 teaspoon of vinegar in it. And then this is the mango puree of over like 3 mangoes. And this is the mixing bowl I got it, and this like the sculpture, and that's the chutney. So let's get started on to our first baking video then. So guys, starting with the recipe, we will add the mango puree which we took over like 3 mangoes into a mixing bowl. Then it is very important guys to take this machine, but I don't know what is this, but it is called channi in Hindi. We'll take this, and it is the very most important part of the recipe, as all of the unwanted particles go out of your recipe. Then I will be adding like 3 to 4 teaspoons of flour maida in it. Then my baking powder and the baking soda by mixing it. Then I'm gonna add some like half a teaspoon, like 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. Make sure you add none of the sugar also. So mix it gently, and I'm very poor in this kind of recipes though, so I know I did a foolish thing. So let me meet you after I met all this, like this channi part, then we'll meet. So guys, the most hardest part was using this channi, which I have now done it. Let this keep aside, and now we will mix this by this machine also. Like I have recently ordered it from Amazon. If you also want to buy this same, like I don't know what it's called, but if you want to buy this, I will make sure to give the link in the description down below. And by mixing this, now we'll make our mango cake batter. So guys, now my batter is full on ready, and you can see its thickness also. So batter is now full on ready, so we'll just bake it. But before that, let us take a and keep it aside. So this is my cake tin which I will be using now, and first we have to take some maida in it, like a pinch of maida in it, and just spread it over like all the cake tin, not full also, and like just make sure that it spreads all over the cake tin. And now we'll grease some butter into the cake tin. So guys, I did some mistake, I'm sorry, but this is what the cake tin, and will be not putting maida first, we will be first greasing some butter in it. So first I'll do like spread some butter into the whole cake tin, which goes like this. And so then keep the butter aside. Let me just keep the butter aside. So I put the butter on the side of my kitchen. So then I will be taking this machine. If you want this, I'll give the link on Amazon. So let's just grease the whole cake tin with this item. Make sure it covers all of it, but when we'll otherwise if we will not do like this, then when our cake will be baked, it will be very difficult to make the cake tin out of the cake box. So now I have greased some butter in it, and now let this keep aside. Then guys, I've made a mistake, so then I will put some maida in it. Let us put some maida in it, and then make sure that it spreads all over the cake tin. So guys, now our cake tin is also ready. Now let's put our batter on to the cake tin. So guys, I was quite busy because I was updating my Insta story about my new recipe video, and let's then pour this cake batter onto it. Pour whole the cake batter into it, so that make sure nothing lasts in the bowl. So guys, our bowl is like full empty now, and now our mango cake is full ready to bake. Let's keep it aside, and let me just tell you the instructions after that. Then after, you will put do like this, so that all of it can goes into the batter smoothly. And then, so I am baking in a karhai, so we have to preheat the karhai at 180 degrees Celsius, and then we have to place a tin over it, and then we have to place over the cake in it. So I will be recording that also, but it will be not having voice, so I'm telling you guys all the instructions now only. So now let's just pour it. So guys, now you can see that our cake batter is full already, and it will be now going to bake. So let's go. So guys, the making of the cake was success, and this is how it came like. I have cutted one piece also. This is how it came like. It's quite nice, and this is how the cake looks. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you like this mango cake recipe, and we'll meet you guys at the next recipe video. Till then, bye.